Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create an API access token in Bigcommerce. Access tokens let us securely connect third-party apps, custom integrations, or external systems to our store so they can work with our Bigcommerce data. Let's get started. To create an API token, we go to Settings. We can find Settings on the left side of the page. Once we are in Settings, we scroll down to the bottom part where we see the API Accounts label. Here, we can create a new API account. Click on this option. Now we see types of tokens. For this example, we use the v2 v3 API token. In this section, we choose the access type, such as read-only, modify, on checkout. We can set these options based on the access we want to give. For example, if we only want to allow read-only access, we select that option. Once we are done and sure about the information, we click Save and then Create. The token will be created successfully. After clicking this and hitting Done, we can see that we now have a new API account. That's how we create an API access token in Bigcommerce. Always keep your access token secure and only give the permissions needed for your integrations.